What's up, guys? So today I'm out in Manhattan because I was actually filming a commercial for real TV, which is crazy. That's not something I ever thought would happen. But I don't think I can talk about who it's for or what it is or anything like that. It should be out sooner than later, I guess. I really have no idea about any of the details other than like what I did for the actual shoot. But the next stop is actually heading to Brooklyn to Puma for the announcement of the brand new Puma basketball sneakers that are dropping. Unlike most events where I sort of have an idea of what sneakers are coming out before the actual event itself, I tried not to look at any of the leaked images or anything like that, because usually if I do that, I form my opinions of the shoe before I actually see them. For this, I have no idea what to expect because there hasn't been a Puma basketball sneaker in like 20 years, something crazy like that. So I want to go in fresh. I want to go in with open mind. I'm really excited and it should be a good event. So why don't we head to Brooklyn? I'm really running late on time, so I shouldn't actually be vlogging this. I should just be going. And let's go see what it's all about. So right now I'm at the Barclays Center. I just got off the subway. I forgot that Jay-Z had something to do with the Barclays Center as well. I'm wondering if this is like a heavily Jay-Z themed event, because you've got the Barclays Center, you've got the 4040 Club later, which I might not have told you guys about, but we're going to the 4040 Club, which should be cool, which he owns, obviously. And then also you've got Puma basketball right back there. Not sure if I'm pointing at it, but it's back there somewhere.
Everybody what they've been waiting for. So look at the shoe. We're here during the NBA 2018 draft week. The history of the brand is essential, because if we don't have history, we don't have authenticity, then we can't really tap into the roots. We can't really tap into the culture in the right kind of way. Because we have the history, it gives us an amazing advantage over a lot of our competitors.
You guys just gave Clyde a lifetime deal.
That's right.
Going down the line, these are things that like a brand really has, builds like a foundation with these guys to build a brand. It's amazing to be able to see somebody like Clyde, who started with you guys, be able to end his career with you guys. Okay, so this is the joint. This is the joint.
There's some texture on the toe and on the midsole.
I see somebody walk. That's my man Mark. Okay. Hold on, you talking about the 6'11" Duke? Yeah. You know what I mean? Hold on. But you got some other people on the Puma family joining you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. There you go, the boy.
Yeah, I worked on these. I didn't have to put my soul in.
So every shoe you had before that, they had to make custom. That's crazy. Do you feel the difference?
It's a big difference.
Probably can't hear me or see me, but it was a pretty solid event overall. We got to see the new Puma Clyde, pretty decent basketball sneaker. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a pair to actually review for you guys. They don't release till October, so that's definitely a ways off, but still a nice looking shoe. Got to meet some nice like NBA prospects, which is dope. You guys know who they are. But overall, dope shoe. Gonna be honest, nothing like crazy new, nothing we haven't seen before, but still a nice looking sneaker overall.